Honorable American citizens, I am a writer and publisher of novel books in the city of Waterbury in Connecticut. I am a journalist, an analyst of the public health for protection of the people and the rights of people in the United States. Honorable American citizens, I have translated a reportage that is very important for injustice and corruption, for the rights and for the protection of people and the freedom of all the people in the democracy of the United States. For this reportage, $6 will be kept from you as people. I will speak about this reportage when I get the money from you as people. I, the publisher of noble books, will speak in other programs for the best of all the people. Now I will speak about housing and the reforming of immigration. Improving housing. This theme has to do with the regulation of housing of the apartments where the citizens reside. The new buildings that are built for the people should be habitable, strong, should be built in clean places, should have greenery, should have the space where children can play, should have sidewalks laid with asphalt and trees in every street where the residents can walk to have a better health. The apartments should be with windows in the bathrooms so that fresh air comes in. Also, the bathrooms should not be near the kitchen and should be big. The roofs of the condos and other buildings should not be made with wood, but with strong material that tornadoes don't destroy them and damage people as well as the American economy. For the apartments that are built many years ago, the residents that have stayed in these apartments have paid the mortgage of the owners of these apartments. These apartments are old and uninhabitable for the health of the citizens. These apartments should be repaired and be available for the residents to buy them or pay very low money for rent. Officials of HUD, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, should build apartments for citizens and should sell it to the citizens of the United States with a reasonable price, but that they pay the house for many years so the citizens can have their own homes. The officials of the cities should help the tenants that do not have money to pay for their apartments and should lower the cost of the rent for the students. The law of the government should give reasonable prices for apartments and houses for all citizens so people have a good economy. Apartments should be clean, modernized, safe, and all cities must be clean and beautiful so people are happy and with good health. I will show some pictures that show uncleanliness because it makes us understand the importance of cleanliness and culture of the citizens. The other theme is about reforming the immigration in the United States. Honorable American citizens, the government of the United States speaks and gives reports that America is powerful, has freedom, justice, and true democracy. Immigrants that are very good in all ways, that are persecuted and mistreated in their countries, come in the United States with many sacrifices for freedom, peace, justice, and the true American democracy. The officials of the immigration, the judges and attorneys have lowered their human dignity and have used these immigrants as slaves in the United States worse than their country. The officials of the immigration and of justice did not give legal status to the immigrants that deserved it and became the cause that good people died. The high officials of immigration, the judges and attorneys who are shown to be negligent, sinners, and corrupted, who have American passports and all American passports that people have, are not of value before the dignity of people who are good, clean, just, according to the law of the Constitution of the United States, and before God. I will show in pictures one person that was very good in all ways, that was done injustice in the democracy of the United States, and who was harmed because she was not given legal status and was left without driving for many years. The officials, judges, and attorneys who are negligent and corrupted do court hearings formally with good immigrants that deserve the legal status and do not give them the legal status, and after they deny the immigrants legal status, they send them in other courts to apply with papers. And these corrupted officials become the cause that good people are hurt and die. The law to be just should be that every court should be done before the person that asks for his justice, and before officials and judges of immigration and justice. If justice is not given to the good people that deserve it according to the law of the Constitution, these officials and judges should be punished by law. Every year, the United States takes over 50,000 immigrants through the green card lottery. The government of the United States should not take immigrants through the green card lottery because with lottery corruption happens, because with one family come 15 to 20 people. These families bring their relatives. In this way, the United States is harmed and the people of the United States are harmed. Because these people who have come with green card, the government will give money until it finds them jobs, will give them aid for the education of their children, will give these immigrants help for what they ask. Immigrants should not come with the green card lottery in the United States because there are many immigrants who are rich and come in the United States, but there are people who are poor and suffer and cannot come in the United States because they didn't win the lottery. The presidents and the congressmen of the United States must pass regulation that the United States takes immigrants from other countries to work here in the United States for 2-3 years to help the people and the countries that are poor. The immigrants, before they come in the United States, must be inspected in their countries from the public health if they are sick or not, and from the inspector of justice that they have a good record. When the immigrants come in the United States, they must register with the immigration and be with a good record, and they must be inspected again from the inspectors of public health if they are sick or not. When these immigrants come in the United States, they must be treated the same as all the American citizens. After some 2-3 years, these immigrants must leave, and the government of the United States should take other immigrants who suffer in their countries to come to work in the United States. The government of the United States must reform the laws of immigration so the United States takes immigrants that are poor in their countries. In this way, America stays humane, clean, and wealthy. The following are the pictures that were mentioned above. Thank you.